In this video, we will learn how to page break in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have here some sales data. So just click on the File tab, click on the Print option. Here you can see the one page of printing. Here the Set the Custom Page Break option. Just click on that. Now you can drag and set your page to break. Okay. Okay, break this page in three parts. Just drag it and set it. Okay, and click on the confirm breaks. Now you can see one page is breaks in three pages. You can see here total three pages. Okay, now you can easily print it. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.